What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video here. It's kind of bright, but it is what it is. So today's message for today is the online business aspect. What do I see the biggest difference in people who don't make it and people who do make it? And it's one thing I have to learn also that I slack in this department. It's not about it's about traffic, but I think the biggest thing about making money online is you have to do it every day. Every day you have to be promoting, you have to be posting, you have to be making videos, making blog posts, posting content every day. Have an online business, when you see it on YouTube and on blog posts, make it look easy. They make it look, oh, I promote this product, I bought traffic to this landing page, and I made $500. Just like that. But it's more than that. You have to buy ads every day. You gotta buy ads all the time. If your ads are not running, you're not making no money. If you're not posting content on YouTube and your blog and on social media and on forums, you're not making no money. Prime example, I was making a video every day in my car, just a normal video. I took a break from that for a month, and then the views on my YouTube channel started to go down, and my channel wasn't growing at all. So I just thinking, like, what changed? And well, I started making videos. That's what happened. Once I started making videos, I started getting traffic. But once I started making videos again, I started getting more views. So I have to constantly make a video every day. If you have an email list that is small or big or medium size and not open your emails, it's probably because they don't hear from you like that. I bet you if you email them once a day, pretty soon over time they will start seeing your name. They'll start seeing your email in your email box every day. They'll start opening your emails. You have to be consistent in this business. I get another example like Walmart or 7-Eleven or any other stores. If they close all day, if they close for a whole week straight, Walmart will make no money. Granted, they make money online, but they won't make money in the store. They'll lose a lot of money just because they're closed down. But when they're open, they make money. So your online business has to be the same way. Take any other business out there, a cutting grass business, a painting business, or a contractor or build homes. If they don't build homes, they don't make money. If a person or man or woman cuts grass for a living, has their own a grass cutting business, if they don't cut grass for a week, they don't get make money that week. So with the online business, you always have to be promoting, posting, creating, making, sharing, typing, advertising, promoting every single day, every day. So the good thing about this business, unlike other businesses like a service business or you cut grass or whatever, or you clean cars, you can timestamp your blog posts. You could pretty much timestamp the YouTube videos. You can timestamp your emails. So you could sit at one time, take 5 hours, and create 5 or 6 emails. You could crank out 2 or 3 blog posts at one time to go out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That way you don't have to constantly work. That's why I like this business so much than a service business, is because I don't have to cut grass every day to make money. I can just timestamp all my stuff to go out tomorrow, the weekend, next week, next month, whatever, and then sit back and let that automatically set itself. But that's the biggest key that I've seen today, that people needs to. And I learned the hard way. I take breaks. I might miss some videos, but now I'm back on it. I'm doing videos every day. Don't care how it looks, but I have to post some kind of content online for people to look at and watch. And if you in any business you want to create, if you want to do a car wash business or power wash houses, I've seen people power wash houses, wash cars, cut grass. They sell cookies, they sell pies. Well, if they selling pies, if they don't make no pies, they can't sell none and make no money. You know what I'm saying? So they constantly have to make pies. They constantly cut grass. They constantly have to power wash houses. So that's my message for the day. Any business you want to start, online business or offline, you got to do it every day. You got to make time for that business and you have to do it every day. With the online business, like I said, you can timestamp everything. You can create 5, 7 videos and just make them private. And then once that day comes, you can use your cell phone and make it public, and that's your video. Blog post. I made a video of timestamping. You can timestamp your blog post to go out in the future. Just send with an email. Posting ads. You got to post right in there, but again, social media, same difference. You can post from your phone anywhere in the world on your phone on social media and get traffic to what you're trying to promote. So that's my message for the day. Is to keep on working every day. Don't take a day off. Timestamp everything. If you're trying to start a business on the side, you gotta do it every day. No matter, I don't care what business it is. All of it's the same. You're selling something for money, or a service for money, or you're selling a product for money. Those 2 things you're selling. Either you're selling a service, like cutting grass, fixing cars, washing cars, power washing cars, fixing your hair, cooking pies. Either you're doing a service or you're selling a product. And in order for you to sell that product, you gotta put it in front of people to look at, to buy it. Traffic. So you gotta do it every day. So the message for the day is to keep on keeping on, do it every day, and you will see some results. If you do a video every day, a blog post every day, a email every day to your list, post on social media every day, you will see results. You're going to see it. You're going to see it. So that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Check out my blog, thexking.com, and you want to comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what works for you in your business. Is it working hard every day? Is it working hard 4 or 5 days a week, then relaxing 2 or 3 days? Let me know in the comment section below. Check out my blog, thexking.com. Thanks for watching.